Every month, millions of tons of rock are crushed around the world just to harvest a tiny amount of gold. But the real question is, where did all this gold actually come from? Today we reveal the extraordinary journey of gold, forged in space and buried deep beneath our feet. Welcome to How It's Made Daily channel, where we unlock the hidden steps behind how the everyday things we use are truly made. From the forces that shaped our planet to the industries that power our world today, here we reveal the secrets you never get to see. In today's journey, we dive deep into the origins of gold, from exploding stars to the deepest mine on Earth. Stay with me until the end, because the truth behind gold's origin is far more surprising and far more unbelievable than the world thinks. Gold's story begins millions of years ago, in the heart of a massive supernova. During the explosion, atoms fused under extreme pressure and created tiny gold particles that scattered through space as cosmic dust. About 4 billion years ago, Earth was hit by asteroids containing this gold-rich dust. Their violent impacts mixed the metal into the planet's crust and mantle. As Earth differentiated, heavy elements like iron and gold sank toward the core. Later, hot fluids moving through deep fractures carried dissolved minerals upward. These fluids formed quartz veins where visible gold crystals became trapped, the same veins miners search for today. Over millions of years, geological pressure kept reshaping these mineral-rich veins. Some were folded, others fractured, and many became trapped under massive layers of rock. This slow, violent movement is the reason gold deposits today appear in thin, winding ribbons instead of wide, solid blocks. Over millions of years, erosion broke apart these ancient rocks. Small flakes of gold were released and carried by rivers, forming alluvial deposits that early civilizations once hunted for. In South Africa, the Mponeng gold mine reaches depths close to 4 kilometers, making it one of the deepest mines on the planet. At this level, rock temperatures can rise above 60 Celsius degrees, creating extreme working conditions. At such extreme depths, the rock walls behave almost like a slow-moving fluid. Even tiny shifts in the Earth's crust can subtly deform the tunnels, making constant monitoring essential. Sensors embedded deep in the rock detect micro-vibrations long before they become dangerous, giving miners precious seconds to react. Nearly 4 kilometers of rock press down constantly, increasing the risk of collapse. To make mining possible, engineers cool the air using massive refrigeration systems, powerful enough to produce thousands of tons of ice per day. To reach these depths, miners travel through high-speed lift systems that descend nearly a full vertical kilometer in under a minute. Once underground, narrow tunnels connect to larger chambers supported by steel arches engineered to withstand enormous pressure from the surrounding rock. The region is geologically active with frequent seismic movements. Miners face intense heat, rock falls, and enormous pressure, all while extracting gold grains smaller than sugar crystals. After blasting, the ore travels several kilometers through conveyors and shafts until it finally reaches the surface. The real transformation begins here. First, a massive mill crushes the ore into a fine powder. Chemicals and activated carbon dissolve and capture the gold. The mixture is then refined to separate impurities. After the gold is absorbed by activated carbon, the mixture passes through a high-temperature stripping process that separates the metal completely. The solution is then sent into electrowinning cells, where electric currents force pure gold to plate onto metal cathodes before the smelting stage. Purified gold is smelted at 1064 degrees and poured into bars weighing around 25 kilos. As the metal cools, it takes on the iconic shape we recognize as gold bars, though further purification may still be required. Even after refinement, each batch of gold undergoes a final verification known as the assay. This process determines the exact purity level of the metal, confirming whether it meets the standard of 99.5% or higher. These precise measurements are essential for global trade, where even microscopic variations can alter the value of a single bar. Gold's exceptional purity isn't just a symbol of luxury, it's what makes the metal essential in advanced technology. Because it never corrodes and conducts electricity perfectly, gold is used in satellites, medical equipment, spacecraft, and even the tiny connectors in smartphones. Each bar represents extraordinary effort. Millions of tons of rock moved, extreme temperatures, dangerous tunnels, and decades of engineering. This rarity is why gold remains one of the most valued materials on Earth. Despite all the effort to extract it, the total amount of gold ever mined would barely fill 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Its extreme scarcity means every ring, bar, or electronic component represents a journey billions of years long, from cosmic origins to human hands. Before a gold bar reaches its final purity, technicians analyze samples in on-site laboratories using high-precision spectrometry. They measure silver, copper, and trace minerals, ensuring each batch meets strict international standards. This level of control is why refined gold is trusted in finance, electronics, aerospace, and advanced manufacturing. Now that you've uncovered the hidden journey of gold, from its cosmic birth to its final form on Earth, tell us, which part of this story fascinated you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your perspective helps this community grow, and it guides the discoveries we explore next. And that's the hidden journey of gold, from exploding stars to Earth's violent beginnings to the deepest tunnels ever mined. A story billions of years in the making, now resting in the palm of a hand. If you enjoyed discovering how gold forms and want to explore more secrets of the natural world, check the first comment and the description. Like the video, share it with someone curious, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next journey. See you in the next episode.